It is time to dust off those turkey-making skills that'll be put into play in less than 1 week. And the idea of a golden baked turkey is starting to smell really good. Chef Lesli Sommerdorf is getting all sorts of bossy in the kitchen. Our favorite friends here from Harmon's helping us master the perfect bird. I'm ready.
It's my favorite holiday.
I can't tell.
I mean, I've already made a few birds already.
This
I had a little neck sandwich last night. It was so good. Okay, so let's talk turkey. That was funny. I didn't really even mean that. Do you see this?
Yes, I do.
See? What is that?
I don't know.
It's the probe.
We don't
Get
need
rid
it?
of the probe.
Okay.
This is what you need. You need a thermometer, or you need a sassy $80 thermopen.
I have that. I love it.
Okay, that's what you need. Because I have no idea what that means. That means like 180 degrees in cardboard to me.
So just get rid of it?
Yes, get rid of it. So what you're gonna do is you're going to be testing the temperature yourself, okay?
Okay.
But first things first, I got all the guts out in the form of the giblets, however you wanna say that. That's the liver, the gizzard, and the heart.
I'll take
love
this
that.
opportunity to say, I think I'm gonna get through my whole life without ever having to make a bird.
In this cavity, there's the neck, bye-bye neck. This I'm gonna talk about later. Okay,
Yeah.
so now he's nice and he's defrosted, he's beautiful, he's ready to be prepared in some way.
Perfectified.
If the turkey is 14 pounds or larger, I recommend brining your bird.
14 pounds or larger, brine. Why?
Because they're breeding birds so that they have gigantic breasts. So the dark meat does not cook at the same ratio as this. So brining allows you a little bit of wiggle room and cheat to have both of them cook. They'll be beautiful and juicy at the end.
Let's brine, baby.
Okay, so these are my 2 pots that I use for brining.
Yes.
It's just water, and I've got 2 cups of salt and 1 cup of sugar.
In?
Yes. Now you can do half and half or whatever, okay? But it's 2.5, go ahead, go. Just dump it. Now, I've got a little spoon there, stir them around. You just want to dissolve it. Now, my recipe calls for you to like put it in a pot, bring it to a boil, reduce it down, let it cool. Yeah, whatevs. Just throw it in there, dissolve it, you're golden, okay? Now, you have a black bag there.
Yes, I do.
You're gonna have 2 black bags,
I have 2.
Because this bird, there's no way it's gonna fit in a pot, and there's no way it's gonna go into your refrigerator. So what I do is I get out my big old cooler. I have a big 20-pound bag of ice. And then I, open that, rest that on the ice, put your turkey in, and then start pouring this once it's been dissolved.
Mixtures?
Yes, because you want him completely immersed in the water.
It's his bath.
Cover the water, close the bag. Then you're gonna give it a shake about every 4 to 8 hours. Yeah, just kind of shake him up. And then 12 to 24 hours later, you are ready to rinse this off and get him ready for the oven.
How well rinsed does our friend need to be?
Oh, I just want to put him in the sink, and I want to rinse him off, and then I want to pat him dry. And then I want to put unsalted butter underneath the skin. I know, it's crazy but true. And then just put some black pepper on there and pop him in the oven.
And that's it?
Yes. You're gonna go, let's see. For this size of bird, you're going about 2.5 hours, and you're gonna go to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Now, this is so important. You can't just go, oh, is he done? Oh, is he done? Like you're gonna be hitting bone. You wanna go right in there, which is the deepest part of the bird, and that is where, if it goes skyrocketing to 170, 180, you're touching bone. So after 2.5 hours, you wanna start testing him. The other thing I do is I take a box of chicken broth, and every 30 minutes, I kind of just pour that chicken broth on there. If you're going to brine your bird, do not use the drippings for your gravy. It'll be too salty.
You have to make your own.
Exactly.
Second. If our bird is under, did you have
go
more?
ahead. If it's under, we're gonna rub.
14 pounds,
we're gonna rub it. Okay. By the way, do you see this? Get some gloves. Just go into the first aid section and grab yourself some gloves because you're gonna need it. Okay. Next, I've got some melted butter. I've got a little bit of lemon zest, a little bit of lemon juice. I'm gonna put some thyme and some garlic.
This is our rub?
Yep. This is our rub. So all I want to do is exactly that. Go ahead. Start smearing, please, my friend. Yep.
You act like I know what I'm doing.
You are. You're giving him a massage.
Hi. I feel like I should have introduced myself.
You're gonna do lots of salt and pepper.
Why does this feel personal?
Oh, it's not. This
Hi,
is like,
bird.
Are you a white meat or a dark meat gal?
Dark.
Okay. Oh, me too. Which is why I'm going to tell you this is the best kept secret of a turkey.
I'm just gonna take a step
This
back.
is dark meat times 900. It's so delicious. Yes. I'm gonna put in a little bit of this, put it in a saucepan, put this in with a box of broth for 2 hours, and it's like corn on the cob.
Oh, and then you eat that?
Oh, it's so delicious.
Okay.
I'm gonna make you a neck and I'm gonna bring it to you.
I would love it.
You will be a fan.
I would love it.
Okay, so we're just gonna put this in a 400-degree oven for, again, 2.5 hours. And
no, do we have to put anything in there?
Yes, cavity. You can easily put in, here, kindly put in the lemon that we squeezed.
A lemon, just like this?
Throw a whole thing.
Oh.
Throw in the thyme.
What about stuffing? Don't people put stuffing in here?
Yes, you can put stuffing, but I like my stuffing outside of the bird.
Okay.
Because I feel like, it's just too much rocket science in order to like get your stuffing cooked and get the turkey at the right time.
So this is seasoning flavoring from the inside out?
Yes, it is. Okay, keep going.
Okay.
Cavity bound,
You're so
mama.
bossy.
I'm so sorry.
No.
And then we're gonna tuck in those little legs right there.
Cross your legs, dearie.
Okay, and notice, did you see me earlier? I tucked see this wing? He will burn. You have to tuck him underneath. You're gonna have to be the boss when it comes to this one.
Take control.
Boom. That's way he's gonna, now if he starts to brown too fast, loosely tent with foil. Done. Done. Oh, look, I got butter on you.
All for the cause, all in a hard day's
Clothing
work.
change,
we love
please.
you. Now here's the thing, Harbin's can help you with all of this. They've helped us with the bird, but all of the sides, all of the, I mean, look at this beautiful spread, you've done it.
If you don't want to go to this length, you can order
and I kind of don't.
A dinner for 6 to 8 or a dinner for 10 to 12.
Yep.
Just go online, order that, tell them when you want to pick it up. Go for it.
And you have to get those orders in, I imagine, like now.
You should probably do that.
Yeah,
it's delicious.
Okay.
I mean, this is pretty much the dinner right here.
And you just go pick it up at Harmon's, take it home.
Yes.
See, they help us on all ends.
And it's hot already.
It's hot.
Yes.
They'll make it for you. They'll show you how to make it. We love Harmon's. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're our favorite.
Thank you for dealing with my love of turkey.
I felt it and I share it. We love our friends at Harmon's.